Hadin balami bun ki kan rum kan ram. Kabadai nakadaw ka jing senjor ka jingking duar ksuj. Baki kali bakit kia kimi ulatsu banyai na ketiga jingking. Bada ka jingshim kia ka sarkar. Rengkat ka Border Road Organization. Lembar ka National Highway Authority of India. Hakas ngipalay lala ban plipai ba no ya ka Bailey Bridge belate da ka BRO ha umyam. Ya ketiga jingking lawan ban plipai ba dau sembut menteri ka sarkar jela. Ubadairu menteri katanat PWD uba Preston Tensong bala sakilang ru da ka jingdan lang UMLA ka umroy uba Judge bilang do menteri barim katanat PHE uba Samlin Malngyang additional chief secretary uba DP walang ka deputy commissioner ka Ribhoy ka kong RM kurba bat kan tubru ki officer na ka BRO bat na ka National Highway Authority of India. Hakan kasngi la sakiru da ka jingdan lang ki paiba nong snong na ka thain umroy Kibalawan bansaki ban pej dalaki jongki kemat hadin balala bante ya ketika Bailey Bridge baru balala ban plipat ba mentakasngi.
District administration along with the office of the SP Ribhoy district, they will regulate because this one is a one way. It's a one way up and down, and then the police will station here 24/7. In the meantime, what we wanted is to make sure that this RCC bridge again can be used or can be reused maybe for certain years. So that, as I said to you, we leave it to the expert, which is now the report lies with the Ministry of Road Transport, and then Road Transport will take a final call on this maybe within a few months from now. Okay. Like this? You got it? So of late, we have detected few technical problems of this existing RCC bridge. Then ultimately, we have no option but to stop flying of loaded trucks, loaded vehicles through this RCC bridge. And ultimately, state government jointly with the National Highway Authority of India, we have taken a decision that we will have a temporary alternative, and ultimately we are able to complete this Bailey Bridge. And I would like to place on record, number one, the chief engineer of the PRO. They are the one who did a fabulous job. Within 5 days time, I think they laid this bridge as you have all seen it, you have all witnessed. So I'm happy to inform to all of you that the flying of loaded vehicles will start immediately when we leave this place. Number two, well, the state government along with the National Highway Authority of India, we are still working out about the existing RCC bridge, whether we'll be able to make it again functional or not. That is still dependable upon the technical detail report submitted by the expert, and then the Ministry of Road Transport will take a call on that. And then for a permanent solution, let me just tell you, now district administration has been asked to identify alternative permanent alignment, where the deputy commissioner will be on the job identifying the place and then processing of land acquisition and all. So that will take maybe a little time. But as I said to you, right now, temporarily, we'll be able to utilize again these bridges, both for the empty loaded vehicles. We will allow them to fly through this old existing RCC bridge, and then the loaded trucks will fly through the Bailey Bridge. and the capacity of this bridge is 40 metric ton, 40 metric ton.